15 stunning dining table ideas to transform your dining room. The dining table is the heart of your dining room, setting the tone for style, comfort, and functionality. Whether you love a classic wooden table, a modern glass design, or a rustic farmhouse look, we've got 15 stunning dining table ideas to inspire your space. Let's get started. 1. Classic wooden dining table for timeless elegance. A solid wood dining table is a timeless choice that fits any decor style. Whether you go for oak, walnut, or mahogany, a well-crafted wooden table adds warmth and sophistication to your dining space. 2. Sleek glass dining table for a modern touch. A glass dining table creates an airy and contemporary feel. It's perfect for smaller spaces as it gives the illusion of more room. Pair it with stylish chairs and a statement light fixture for a chic look. 3. Rustic farmhouse dining table for a cozy feel. A rustic farmhouse dining table with a distressed wood finish brings warmth and charm to any dining room. Pair it with cross-back chairs or upholstered seating to complete the cozy, country-inspired look. 4. Round dining table for an intimate setting. A round dining table promotes easy conversation and a welcoming atmosphere. Perfect for smaller dining areas, it allows everyone to be within comfortable reach while adding a stylish touch. 5. Marble dining table for a luxurious look. A marble dining table exudes elegance and luxury. Whether you choose classic white marble or a dramatic black stone, this stunning centerpiece will elevate your dining room with a high-end appeal. 6. Extendable dining table for flexibility. Need extra seating for guests? An extendable dining table is the perfect solution. With hidden extensions, you can transform a small table into a spacious one, making it ideal for both daily use and special occasions. 7. Industrial dining table with metal accents. For an urban-inspired look, go for an industrial dining table that combines wood and metal. 8. Oval dining table for a unique shape. An oval dining table combines the best of round and rectangular tables. It provides a sleek, elongated look while maintaining the intimate feel of a round table, making it a great option for stylish, space-saving designs. 9. Live edge wood table for a natural touch. A live edge dining table brings the beauty of nature indoors. Featuring raw, organic edges, this type of table creates a striking and artistic focal point in your dining room. 10. High gloss dining table for a contemporary vibe. For a sleek and polished look, a high-gloss dining table in white, black, or bold colors adds a modern edge. Pair it with minimalistic chairs and metallic accents for a high-fashion dining space. 11. Pedestal dining table for a space-saving solution. A pedestal dining table eliminates bulky legs, giving you more seating flexibility. This design is perfect for small dining areas while adding a touch of elegance. 12. Colorful dining table for a playful twist. Who says dining tables have to be neutral? A brightly colored table in shades of blue, green, or red can add personality and vibrance to your dining space, making it a fun and lively gathering spot. 13. Glass and metal combination for an edgy look. A dining table that combines a glass top with a metal base creates a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic. This contemporary design pairs well with modern interiors and adds an industrial chic vibe. 14. Parsons dining table for a minimalist approach. A Parsons dining table features clean lines and a simple design, making it a great choice for modern and minimalist dining rooms. Pair it with upholstered or wooden chairs for a versatile and stylish setup. 15. Mixed material dining table for a unique design. For a truly eye-catching look, opt for a mixed material dining table. A combination of wood, stone, metal, or glass creates a dynamic and artistic centerpiece that stands out in any dining room. And that's a wrap on 15 stunning dining table ideas. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you in the next video.